students. In this class I will be doing class 9 CBSE syllabus 10th chapter circles. Already 3 exercises I have completed. I am doing 4th exercise. In that 4 sums I have completed. I will continue with the 5th sum. 3 girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 cm in a park. Reshma throws a ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep, Mandeep to Reshma. If the distance between Reshma and Salma and between Salma to Mandeep is 6 meter each, what is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep? So we will draw a diagram for this. So 3 girls are standing. They are playing in a circular park of radius 5 cm. Radius of the park is given as 5 cm. Are playing a game by standing on the circle of radius 5 cm in a park. Reshma throws a ball to Salma. Reshma throw a ball to Salma. Reshma to Salma, Salma to Mandeep and Mandeep to Reshma. Okay. If the distance between Reshma and Salma and between Salma to Mandeep is 6 meter. So accordingly we will draw the diagram. So Reshma to R we will keep it as Reshma, S is Salma and M is Mandeep. Reshma to Salma is 6 meter. Salma to Mandeep is also 6 meter. They are throwing like this only. Reshma to Salma, Salma to Mandeep and Mandeep to Reshma. Okay, this is how they are playing. And if the distance between Reshma and Salma and between Salma and Mandeep is 6 meter, what is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep? So this is the thing we are asked to prove. Asked to find out the distance between Reshma and Mandeep. Okay, so for proving this, we will join few things. We will keep this center point as O. Okay, then we will join OR we will join, then OM we will join, then OS. Okay, then we will draw a perpendicular line OL, perpendicular line to RS. We will take that as L. So this is given as 6 meter. Okay, and this center point we will take it as R, Reshma, Mandeep, this is L, and this one we will keep it as N. Okay, so we will write whatever it is given first. So given circle of radius 5 centimeter is given. Then distance between Reshma and Salma and Salma to Mandeep is 6 meter. Okay, this is given. To find distance between Reshma and Mandeep. Then construction join 4 lines, 5 lines will be joining. Join OR, OS, OM, OR, OS, OM, then OR, OM, OS, then OL perpendicular to RS. These are the things we are doing. Okay, construction. Then proof. Okay, this one is OS is the radius of the circle. Okay, OS is the radius of the circle. The radius of the circle is given as 5 meter. 5 meter is the radius of the circle. Then this RS is a chord. Okay, RS is a chord and OL is perpendicular. We are drawing a perpendicular line from the center to the chord. So it will bisect the chord. So RL is equal to SL. So this RS is given as 6 meter. So we will get, since it is bisecting, the length between SL and RS is 3 centimeter we will get. So this one will be 3 meter and this one will be 3 meter. So since it is a Pythagoras theorem, in triangle OLS, OS squared is equal to OL squared plus SL squared. So OS is the radius, so that is given as 5 meter, so it is 5 squared. OL we are asked to find, plus SL is 3 meter square. So OL squared is equal to 25 minus 9, that is 16 OL squared. So OL is equal to 4 meter. So now we will take triangle ORN, that is this triangle ORN and triangle OMN. These two triangles we will take and prove the congruency and say that RN is equal to MN. So for proving that only we are taking these two triangles. Okay. So in triangle ORN and triangle OMN, OR is equal to OM. OR is equal to OM, that is the radius of the circle. So that is radius. Then ON is equal to ON, that is the common side. Then for taking the angle, these two are the equal chords. RS and SM are the equal chords. We know that by the theorem that equal chords subtend equal angles at the center. So we will be getting two equal angles here, that is ROS, angle ROS is equal to angle SOM. So equal chords subtend equal angle at the center. So by that property we can say that angle ROS is equal to angle MOS. Equal chords subtend equal angles at the center. Equal chord subtend equal angle at center. So by that property we can say that angle ROS is equal to angle MOS. So angle, two angle. So since this N is in that point, we can say that RON is equal to MON. RON is equal to MON. That is okay. So by SAS, this side and this included angle. So by SAS congruency, we can say that triangle RON is congruent to triangle MON by SAS congruency. Two side and one angle. That congruency we can say that these two triangles are equal. So by CPCT we can say that RN is equal to MN. So this is by CPCT. Okay. But we are asked to find the length of RN. That is the distance between R and only we are asked to find. For finding that only we are doing all these things. Okay. So now we will get two triangles. One is triangle ORS. The same triangle with different base and height we will be getting. Okay. So area of triangle ORS. Area of triangle ORS. ORS. If we take this triangle, base is RS and height is OL. Okay. With base RS and height base RS and height OL. Base RS and height OL. So with that we can say that half into base into height. So that is equal to half into base is 6 meter and height we found it as OL. We found it as 4 meter. So we will get the answer as 12 meter. So that is the area of triangle ORS. Area of triangle ORS is 12 meter. So that we will keep it as this. Then we will take the same triangle, area of triangle ORS. See this triangle, the base of that triangle, same or ORS, the base is OS. Base is OS and height is RN. Height is RN. Okay, so the base of the triangle is OS. We have to say same triangle ORS, like that we have to take. So the base is OS and the height is RN. So that is equal to half into base into height. So that is half into, what is the base? The base is 5 meter. Radius of the circle. OS is the radius of the circle, that is 5 meter into RN. RN we don't know, so we will find it. So both are area of triangle. So now we will be equating this first one and this second one. So equating 1 and 2. Equating 1 and 2. So 1 is, we got it as 12 meter is equal to 1 by 2 into 5 into RN. So when we simplify this, we will get the distance between RN. Okay, so this is 12 2s are 24. 24 by 5 is equal to RN. So when we simplify this 24 by 5, 5 4s are 20. 5 8s are 40. So RN, the distance between RN, we got it as 4.8 meter. But we are asked to find the distance between Reshma and Mandir. So therefore, distance between, just now we have proved that Rn is equal to Mn. So Rn we got it as 4.m. Therefore, Rm is equal to 2 into Rn. So that is 4.8 into 2. 2 into 4.8, we will get it as 9.6 meter. So therefore, distance between Reshma and Mandir, distance between Reshma and Mandir is 9.6 meter. We are asked to find the distance between Reshma and Mandir. So we got it like that. Okay. So first we are finding the distance, then we are proving the congruency of two theorems and telling that Rn is equal to Mn. Then we are taking the triangle ORS and we are finding the area in two different ways, equating it, find the value of Rn, multiplying it by 2, we got the distance between Reshma and Mandir. Okay, so even though it is a very big sum, understand it properly, then it will be easy. So with this, I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.